Hello all, welcome back again to our channel. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us and watching our videos. So in today's video, I will be transforming this bed. It's a white bed, a wooden bed which is painted white. So the issue with the bed, my client wanted it to be changed to this design, these designs that I usually transform them to, because it's a paint bed, so it gets dirty very quickly. That is because of the kids. So she wanted to try these designs that I usually make. So for this one, I'll be transforming it into a channel bed, and on the sides I'll be putting the corkers. So stay tuned, stay to the end of the video to see how I'm going to be transforming this bed. And this is how I'm going to be transforming. So as you have been watching the videos from the start, I was preparing this adjustment layer, which is I'm going to be raising the headboard to a certain height, that is to around over 4 feet in height, because it was shorter. And then after that I'll be starting doing the channels. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video and tell me in the comment section what you think about this one. And these are the materials and tools that I'm going to be using for this DIY, whereby I have these forms that I've already cut into sizes because it's a channel bed. I also have the fabric, which is dark gray fabric. I had the staple gun. I have this lipping tape that I usually use to align the lines in the channels, and I have this quick fix glue that I usually use in almost all my DIYs. So I think that is basically the basic materials and tools to use while doing this DIY. That is, if you want to try something like this. But you can also comment in the comment section below if you want some help. I can advise someone if you want some advice. Yeah, so here we just help each other and educate each other, and we'll grow together. So don't forget to share this video, because I'm sure when you share, I'm sure there are some people who want to upgrade their beds or want to get these ideas or know how to transform theirs on their own. It's not necessarily that they want me to do it for them. They can also do it if they follow the steps and processes that we do follow in these DIYs. And as you can see, our videos, we usually use simple materials, simple tools. So this is basically something that someone can try, or if they can't, yeah, they can reach. If you share, they will see and they will find us, so that we can upgrade their beds. So thank you for the continued support, and I am glad and happy for the continued support that you've been showing us. And we have a lot of new subscribers. I really appreciate you. I thank you for the support that you have started showing us, the comments and the subscription. Thank you so much. And before I forget, I want to remind you that we not only do these transformation videos for the beds, we do a lot of DIYs. It's only that a lot of people want to upgrade their beds. That's why we have a lot of videos on bed transformations. But soon, God willing, possibly next month, we will go back to making different DIYs, different videos and different types of things. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever we upload new videos. So bear with us with these transformation videos. Give us some time. We prepare, we plan on other things, and I hope that will enjoy our videos and continue supporting us and liking our videos and commenting on them. Yeah.
what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong